Why?
When it comes to Excel, it's no doubt that the Vlookup and the match index formula is the most important formula when it comes to looking up multiple data sets in a spreadsheet. Even though your other formulas are on point and consistent, you will never get better just doing if statements.
Charming. I'm no kid. I got a crap on deck that can choke a donkey. Oh, it's squinty.
You are simply not going to see the results you want in Excel if you don't implement a proper Excel strategy. This is the reason why most people fail at Excel, is because they don't understand the formula and read how it works. These will be my 4 best tips for understanding a VLOOKUP and an alternative to looking up information.
Because once you've had fat, you never go back.
Firstly, when you're doing a VLOOKUP formula, make sure that the data you're looking for in the second table, the information lies on the leftmost side of the table. So if your information has 3 columns, make sure that the data sits, for the match sits on the far left. Secondly, make sure you understand whether you're looking for a true or exact match or a false, which is a similar or close to match. Thirdly, what's better than a VLOOKUP is a match index formula. The match index formula is better than a VLOOKUP because if the data occurs more than once, or the match occurs more than once, the VLOOKUP will only look for the first match it finds and pulls its value, which makes it inefficient. So my best suggestion is to use the match index, which will match exactly a unique key that you are looking for. But I'll explain that in another video. And lastly, make sure that you watch my other videos in the channel that will help you improve your Excel skills. By watching these videos, I've added value in your life, and if you feel like you want more information, please write your comments and questions below and subscribe to my channel called Project Capital. I will be posting videos every week to help out answer your questions in the comments below, and on educational videos about Excel and video editing. And if you would like to see more about video edits, let me know.